What's your name?
Meow.
Are you Miss Kitty?
Meow.
Are you little Miss Kitty?
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Miss Kitty. Do you want to play with the feather wand?
Meow.
All right, why don't you get in your little kitty bed and go to sleep? Good girl. Really? On camera? Oh, I'm gonna have to show this to all your little friends at school.
No, show me. Show it to my mom. Just show it to my mom.
No, I'm gonna have to show it to everybody.
No!
That's what happens when you poot on camera.
No, it's just for fun.